Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss about filter functions. Okay, filter functions, filter functions. So before going to discuss about filter function, we have to understand various formulas. Just like we are learning a plus b whole square during your school days, we have to understand these functions before learning about any important functions like all selected, all accept, and calculate. Okay. So what are those functions? What are those formulas? What are those formulas? Okay. Absolute change. Absolute change equal to absolute change. Absolute change. Growth or variance. Growth. Percentage or various percentage. Various percentage. And percentage of total. Also, they are the general formulas you have to remember. Understand. So you might ask why this is very important. Why this is very important. Why you have to learn all these things. So for that, let's say I have company A. Let's say I have company A. So company have they have multiple products, right? So every year, every year, they generate some profits. Let's say in 2011, in 2012, okay. So each year they'll generate different profits. Let's say 12,000. It's a small business, okay, and 13,000. Similarly, they'll generate 14,000, 15,000. So they want to calculate how much how much change they generated profit with respect to 2013 profits. This is my problem statement. How to do that? How to do that? So in order to solve this problem, we have to find out absolute change. So what is mean by absolute change? Absolute nothing but the current value by required value. You might ask, what is the current value? So current value for the 2011 was 12,000. Okay. So we need to compare against 2013 profit. So we have to fetch 2013 values 14,000. We need to fetch across each and every year. Okay. So that we can compare how much change with respect to each year profit against 2013. So that is our required value. That is our required value. So we have to find absolute change. So absolute change we require current value, required value. So already we have current value, okay, and also we have the required value here. Okay, now we can easily find out absolute change. So to find out absolute change, what we have to do? We have to do this is the numerator, this is the numerator, and this is the denominator. So I'm using, yeah, we're getting these values. So same thing we have replicated across each and every year. So we're getting these values. Now it is under decimal value. In order to change into percentage, by default it is in general mode. So if you want to change into percentage, you'll get the percentage. So what does it mean? What does it mean? 12,000 is 86. 12,000 is 86% of 14,000. Okay. Similarly, 15,000 is 107% of 14,000. so that how much change with respect to our required value. Okay, this is the absolute change. Similarly, if you want to find the growth, how to get the growth, like in terms of values. Let's say in 2013 we have 14,000 profit. So how much with respect to 2011 is generated? Okay, how much is generated? It's about 2,000, right? 2,000, right? So same growth nothing but current value minus required value. Similarly, if you want to find the growth variance, I will discuss after calculating this one. Okay. So we have current value already. This is the profits, and the required value already we have. So what does it mean? We have to subtract it from current value to required value. To do that, what we have to do? This is the current value minus this is the required value. Now I click on enter, applying same thing across each and every year profit level. I'm getting these values. Okay, I'm getting these values once. So from this, what you understand? It's okay. With respect to 2013, we are getting uh, 2,000 less, so that they can understand. In the similar way, I want, this is the value, right? I want in terms of percentage. To find the percentage, growth percentage or various percentage, we have to do the current value minus required value with respect to what? The required value. Required value. Sorry. Required value. To find out growth percent, various percentage, growth or various percentage, we have all the, this one already we have calculated here, and also required values also existed across each and every profit. So what I'm doing here, so the numerator is current value minus required value. So already we are calculating it. So I'm using this one. Okay, this one divided by. So what is the required value here? 14,000. We're getting some value. So I'm applying this formula across each and every year level. So I'm getting some value. By default, we're getting some decimal value. So if you want to change into percentage, what do you need to do? You have to apply some percentage. So we're getting a percentage. So what does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean? How much growth we are getting with respect to 2013 profit? So with respect to 2013 profit, we are getting 14% less. If you want to get in terms of value, it's about almost 2,000. Okay. And similarly, how much we're getting 2014 profits with respect to 2013 profits. We are getting 7% is more than the 2013 profits. So this is the insight user will getting. So if you take any as a data analyst, if you go into Power BI or Tableau or taking any business, so you can see this kind of generic formulas. Okay, generic formulas. So just like a plus b whole square, we have to understand and remember these formulas. Okay, okay, okay. We're calculating required value and everything's okay. So here the challenge is, how can we implement same thing in Power BI? That's the challenge. Okay. So if you want to implement the challenge, let's say same like I have profits, so I'm just dragging here. Okay, let me create a explicit measure. I have a total profit equal to sum of profits. Okay, we're getting some value for the profits. Now we are adding this one. So I'm just dragging the profits. Total profits. Okay. Once we're getting the total profits, let me increase the font size here. So we're getting total profits. Okay, total profits. So what we need to get it? So we want year level total. Okay. So let me drag here also, here also here. Now we're getting year level value. Okay. Let me increase further more font size in order to get the clarity in the visual. Okay, I think you can see it right now better than earlier, right? Okay, now you can see year level profits, okay, across each and every year. Okay, now I want to implement. I want to get the required value. In order to find all these things, we want required value right in the common. So if you observe here, if we need to observe something by default, by default, by default, measure measure has filter context. By default, measure has a filter context behavior. Behavior. You might ask, what is the filter context? I want to see year level total, right? Year level total. So I'm just trying year level total. Yeah. So I want required level total. So what is the challenge here to get the required total? By default, every measure is a filter context, nothing but the values were filtered by the time, the values, these values is filtered by the dimensions in the visualization. Okay. But I want required value across each and every year. So we need to we need to override override this behavior. Override this behavior. To override this behavior, to replace the filter context behavior, what we have to do is we have to apply filter function on top of the expression. Filter functions. Okay. What the first filter function is that calculate. What calculate? So what calculate? So it takes input as expression, evaluated this expression based on based on vector based on based on defined vectors. What is syntax for this? Calculate, it takes expression, and here filter is optional. You see those bracket, square bracket like this, only optional, and filter to it sounds. So let me implement. So here the note is here expression should be aggregated value or scalar value. All are same. Aggregated nothing but single value, scalar or single value. All are same. Example is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Same thing we are going to implement. Power BI. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a method. So what I'm going to, before going to explain this formula, so let me explain visually what I'm going to do is, so I want the total profits, which level, 2013 level, okay, 2013 level. So I'm applying 2013 here, 13 here. Now I get all the 2013 values of filter, okay, so that means filter. It will calculate all to the 13 profit. Same thing I'm going to implement. Same thing I'm going to implement in here as well. So let me create a new measure. I want the required values. So my required value goes 2000 required value is 2013 value, right? 2013 profits. To get 2013 profits, what I have to do is calculate what it takes, total profits, which level I want, year level, right? So year level in orders, order date, equal to. So if you want to mention hierarchy, we have to use square brackets here equal to 2013. So let me track 2013. My expectation is 406935. I have to get each and year level. Each and year level we get. Not what it now we can easily find. We have current value, we have required value, we have required value. So we can easily find the absolute change, growth, and variance. So what is the formula of absolute change? What is the formula of absolute change? Current value by required value. So same thing we need to find here. Same thing we need to find here. Absolute change. Okay. Absolute change. Total profit. Total value. Required value was. Here the required value was 2013 profit. So if you get created measures, so can you get it by giving the square brackets. Now you get the absolute total. Let me track it. By default, we are seeing the decimal value. You want to convert into percentage. Click on here. Get the percentage. Okay. Percentage. What does it mean with respect to uh, 2013 profits? Is about 61. So 61 percentage of 2013 value. It is about 75 percentage of 406. 123 percentage of 406. Now we are going to calculate the growth in terms of values. What is the growth formula? Current value minus required value. So I'm just copying here and create a new measure, create a new measure, create a new measure. So what is the current value? Total profit. What is the required value? Required value is 2013 profit. We are also getting the growth. Just driving growth. It's the value. This is the growth we are getting. So with respect to 2013, is getting 97,000 in terms of growth or variance. Okay. Now, similarly, we are going to find variance percentage. Variance percentage. So, I'm creating new measure. Variance percentage. So, what is the variance percentage? What is the formula for variance percentage? Current value means required value by required value. This is the variance percentage. So, we already calculated current value means required value as a growth or variance. So, I'm using the same thing, the Power BI. We already find growth. So growth is the numerator, growth is the numerator, the numerator. We are already getting this. Now we are getting required value. Required value. So what is the required value? So required value was required value 2013 profits. Also getting variance percentage. By default, we are getting this one value. If you want to change, variance percentage. Now we are getting growth in terms of values. How much more with respect to 2013 value? Now we are getting the percentage. So with respect to 2013, we are getting 23% more in 2014 profits. Okay. Now I have one more scenario. I have one more scenario. Okay. Scenario. So I have a producer. So producer invested money on a thriller genre. So in Telugu film industry, we have different markets. Different markets. Let's say we have A market. Let's say we have B market. We have C market. We have D market. Okay, different markets. He created a thriller movie, and released in different theaters across different markets. So these are the collections. These are the collections. So he captured for different market level. Okay, captured different market level. Market A generates about 1 crore. Market B generates 2 crores. and market C generates 3 crore, market D generates 4 crore. So you want to understand, so you want to understand which market we want to understand. So which market contributes for thriller, thriller genre, thriller genre. So that what he's doing is simply he, he captured all the profit, he captured all the collections, and he's adding all the collections. 7, 10 crores. He's getting total 10 crores as a total. Now we want to see which market is contribute more. So what he did was percentage of total, percentage of total. Okay, one his collection was 1 crore out of 10. So numerator was numerator was 1 and denominator was total. So that he can understand. Then he understand I have got 10 percentage contribution from market here. Similarly, I'm applying across each and every market. Okay, each and every market, each market. Okay. So by default, what I'm doing is I'm putting 10 here. Okay. Now I'm getting different market level contribution. Next time, next time, so that the producer understand the market D contributes more percentage for thriller genres. Next time, if he choose to take thriller genres, he make sure that he's going to release those thriller movies more theaters in the market. In the next one was C. So you might neglect these market theaters compared to C and D. So these kind of insights he has to take. Similarly, the Power BI also, in the Power BI also, we have total profits. We have total profits. Okay, we have total profits, total profits. That's the market level. Total profit is distributed among all the markets. Okay, total market is distributed among all the markets. Total market distributed among all the markets. Now we want to see. Now client want to see the contribution, total contribution. So what is the formula for total contribution? So current value minus total required value. So we're getting current values here. To get the total values across each and every market, what we have to do is we have to use all function. Now we are going to learn all function we want to get. So what it does is it ignores filter context of the visual. Syntax is all acceptable or column 1, column 1, column 2, etc. So we will use same thing. So what I want total. So before going to before we are discussing about all or implementing all, so we have to learn visually how to get this total each and every year. So what I have to do to get this total across each and every market level. Okay. Observe closely, just closely 1467, 457. I need to get right. So what should I do so that I'll get the total profit? So I'm ignoring the market. It's very important. Please observe this. Please observe this. So I'm just ignoring the markets so that I'm closing this. Now we get same value as a 1467 415 grand order. I'm undo this. So you can see same value once I remove this. Okay. So same thing we have to communicate in the formula as well. Formula as well. Granddaughter problem. That is my required value. Get that one. What should I do is I'm going to calculate. So what I want, the total profits. So this is my expression. I have to ignore what? I have to ignore what? Ignore this market. So I have to just mention the market. See the magic. And now we are getting 146767 across each and every market level. Grand total. We're getting this one by ignoring the market. Same thing we are communicating the formula as well. Now we're going to find our percentage total very easily. The percentage of total. Percentage total. So how to get this total? Percentage total. Current value is equal to total. Current value is already we have the total profit. So numerator. The required total value was current total profit. Now we're getting percentage total. So that he understood APEC and European Union contributes more among other markets, the top two, so that if you plan to make new product for the particular category, okay, so he's going to promote and sell those products in APEC and European Union so that he'll get more profits. More profits. Thank you.